Okay guys, so in today's video, like the title stated, I am going to show you guys how to start a print-on-demand business even if you're not a rocket scientist like myself. Yes, I'm very funny. Anyway guys, yes, I've been missing for a while, but here I am today on January, whatever it is, 27th of 2026. Guys, I just want to go over and explain to you guys what's happened with my Shopify store, my print-on-demand store on Shopify, which is called terribleatgolf.com if you want to check it out or buy any golfing apparel or hats or anything like that. Guys, if I'm being honest, I'm a little bit shocked of the results. And yes, I will be showing you in real time that number that is in the thumbnail. But guys, this is all from print on demand, which I've been doing, which is hard for me to even say this, but I've been doing print on demand for 10 years now, which is crazy. And I'm getting ready to start another print on demand store for my girlfriend, and I'm going to do a case study on that, as I've done in the past. Now, I know I didn't do a case study for Terrible at Golf. I mean, I can give you the lowdown on it and all that stuff, or show you the numbers, basically, guys, is what I want to show you, because it works. It absolutely 100% works. I'm going on, well, this month I'm projected to do $42,000. $42,000 in revenue this month. And last month was $38,000 in revenue. And hopefully in February we get it to $60,000. But I'll go over all the numbers, guys, and so bear with me and let me flip this around. And I hope you've all been well. I know I've been gone for months and months and months, but just haven't wanted to be on YouTube. So anyway, I'll flip it around and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, did you miss me? All right, guys, I haven't made a video on it so long, I don't know what to do here. Anyway, guys, all right, so this is actually a live view right now as we speak. Not the best of mornings thus far, but we have done $151 in sales. So let's go to home. And I'm going to show you guys the number. Now, I started this Shopify print-on-demand store basically on like May 5th, I think, is when I started advertising. But let me show you what we've done since that day, which is what, like 8 or 9 months? Let's just say 9 months ago. Let's go last year, which was 2025. All right, guys, as you can see right here, $121,000 in sales. And then we'll just do this month to date. So month to date, we've done 37,000. So what is that? 137, 150, almost $160,000 in revenue since starting this store 9 months ago, guys. Again, I've said it a million times, guys. I am not a rocket scientist. I didn't even go to frickin' college. Not that I think you should do that anyway, but that's just me. But guys, I'm no one special here. The key thing, as I always say, is you have to get in and try. I say the same thing to my girlfriend. She's like, well, why don't we do this? Well, why don't we do this? Oh, I think this looks good. That doesn't look good. It doesn't matter what you think. You have to do research and find a good niche and find winning designs. I find my designs on Etsy, on TikTok, numerous places that I find designs, and then I just recreate them because I know that they've already worked in the past. Now, I've been in golf all my life. I've played golf all my life. So I do know a lot about golf and, you know, what the audience wants as far as shirts and hats and all that. I'm starting a niche for her. I'm not going to say the niche, but I will in the future. And speaking of that, guys, if you could just please do me a favor, please comment down below on the next video that you want me to make. Do you want me to show you more results? Do you want me to show you step by step? I don't know if you guys don't tell me or interact in the comments section below. So please just tell me what you want me to make, or what you want me to show you how to do, and I'll do it. I'm gonna leave it at that. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, etc., etc. But anyway, guys, $160,000. I mean, now the profit on that is actually not the greatest, but I can tell you, like in December of last year, 2025, the profit was close to $9,000. Now, can you live on $9,000 a month? I would think you can. Well, if you're in America, you probably can't. And if you are new to this channel, I moved to Mexico 2.5 years ago to escape the madness in America. And obviously, I met a girl, and I've been with her. I've been with her since I started terribleatgolf.com. So she's been with me the entire way on this. So again, guys, so the profit last month was, well, like I said, close to $9,000 a month. Right now, we are at about $6,500 in pure profit for this month. My goal is $15,000 a month, and I know that I will hit that because every month over the last few months, it's gotten increasingly better and better and better. And I've figured out Facebook ads, and that's another thing, guys. If you want me to help you with Facebook ads, because I've generated a ton of money from my Facebook ads. I'm spending about $300 a day. Now, don't let that number freak you out, because you certainly don't have to do that. And I didn't start with $300 a day, and I highly recommend that you don't do that. Start at, say, $20 a day. See how it goes. See if you're getting sales, and then if you are, then scale it from there. Obviously, you have to change your creatives and stuff like that. But I have one ad right now that's been running for almost 3 months now, and it is still converting like crazy. I mean, I'm paying some days I'm paying $10 per conversion, which is absolutely incredible. And I also run, I have 2 ads on Google that I run. And in later videos, I'll show you some insane results. I mean, I'm talking like 1,000% on my money. I paid last month. I got 3 conversions, and I paid 25 cents. And those conversions were worth like $500. So I do know a little bit about Google ads. Well, I know more about Google ads than I do Facebook ads. But guys, if again, I didn't go to college, I didn't do any of that stuff. So for me to be sitting here and you watching this video, I started this channel to inspire people. Because I know how hard it is. I've never had anybody really support me throughout any of my print-on-demand businesses or stores or what have you. I mean, thank God that I'm so grateful that I have this wonderful woman in my life who you will meet, because I'm going to bring her on the channel and we're going to do this case study together. But she means the world to me. It's just so nice to have someone in your corner, to pump you up and say it's okay, and all that stuff. So anyway, guys, I do just want to show you one other thing. I'm just going to show you some results from yesterday. Not that it was the best day, but it was certainly was a good day. I'm just showing you this, guys. I'm not showing you here to brag or anything like that. I just show you. I just want to show you what's possible, because again, I'm not a graphic designer. I design all these designs with the help of ChatGPT. Sometimes I create them myself, but I'm just using Canva. I don't know how to use Photoshop. Never have, and I don't care to. You don't need to. But here's the numbers from yesterday. We had 19 orders yesterday. This conversion rate, I'm trying to get the conversion rate to 3%. which is, if I get it to 3%, we can start making $15,000 in profit every single month. But I think my overall conversion rate is like 2.4 or 2.5 since I started the store, which isn't bad at all, because I think the average, the top average would be like 3% across all print on demand / Shopify stores. So again, guys, I just wanted to make this video to say hello and wish everybody a happy 2026, and to let you guys know that this is a side hustle. Well, I don't even consider it a side hustle. It's my main, it's what I do to generate and how I live here in beautiful Mexico. So anyway, just comment down below, guys, on the next video that you want me to make, and I will make it for you. And as always, guys, if you want to start a Shopify store for $1, it's free for 3 days, and then it's $1 a month for 3 months. Now, guys, if you can't afford $3 a month or for 3 months to get a store going, I don't know what to tell you, because you certainly don't have to put any money out with Printful or anything like that, and you certainly don't have to start ads right away. The thing is that you just have to start, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to end the video, but I'm happy to be back, but I'm not going to make another video unless I get comments on this video of telling me what the next video is that you guys want to see me make. So anyway, I love you all. I hope you've all been well and had a wonderful 2025, and I'll see your monkey butts soon.